VAT remove on diesel and cooking gas, FG. The federal government of Nigeria has announced significant tax reliefs aimed at boosting investments in the oil and gas sector and promoting the transition to cleaner energy sources. In a bold move towards revitalizing Nigeria's oil and gas industry, Finance Minister Wale Edun unveiled two major fiscal incentives: the VAT Modification Order 2024, which introduces exemptions on key energy products and infrastructure, and the Notice of Tax Incentives for deep offshore oil and gas production. These measures, according to the Ministry of Finance, are designed to lower the cost of living, bolster energy security, and accelerate Nigeria's transition to cleaner energy sources. The move comes at a crucial time for Nigeria's oil and gas sector, which has been facing stiff competition from other countries in attracting investment and maintaining its position as a key player in the global oil and gas market. As Nigeria and other countries around the world face increasing pressure to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and transition to cleaner energy sources, the exemptions for electric vehicles and clean cooking equipment represent the need for a more sustainable energy future.